Ron here with the Victorian House Finish Rejuvenator. This is my latest find. I picked up a nice old vintage record player and radio, and it does work. And it is all there. I'm going to show you. It's really beautiful. But the cabinet has gotten dried out. And of course that has kind of faded the finish. We're going to use this rejuvenator on that and show you what it can do. Shake it up. Very important to do that. Put it on little piece of real fine steel wool, real soft steel wool. Paint it on wet and even. You're just kind of rubbing it on. You're not scrubbing. You will not hurt the finish at all. But just do it like that. And then when you get through working it in a minute or two like that, you're going to come right back while it's still wet. And you want to wipe away any excess. That's very important. Don't leave anything wet. As you wipe, you're going to wipe away any amount of buildup or whatever may be there. I'm using a good absorbent paper towel for that. And you want to wipe, get a new towel as you need to. Very important not to use a rag. The rag will get dirty and oily and you'll smear it back on. This will only take a few minutes. I could do the whole top in just a couple of more minutes than what I'm going to do here. When you're through, you're going to see this lets that nice grain come through. See the beautiful grain there? The finish has faded somewhat over the years, age and whatnot, and that hides the color of the wood. This can be on any wood. And we are clearing that out, brings that back. That's going to be pretty much more like it was when it was new. And this will stay for years and years because it's inside the finish. It's not a dusting oil that lays there and evaporates later. And what we're using is the Victorian House Finish Rejuvenator. Works on any color, any finish. There's no stain in it whatsoever. It cleans thoroughly, brings it back to life. Cabinets, baseboards, whatever you may have. And it will stay looking good for years and years to come. One easy application.